By safeguarding the equal protection rights of individuals and minorities, the courts enforce the fundamental constitutional limitations on majority power that are necessary to ensure that every person is treated by the organized society as a respected and participating member. Without the court's authority to interpret and apply the guarantee of equal protection to prevent majorities from encroaching on minority rights, there is a danger that entrenched patterns of historical discrimination would become fixed and disfavored groups would be relegated to a permanent or semi-permanent position of second-class citizen. California law recognizes the inherent authority of this court to make any order appropriate to preserve the status quo and to issue any appropriate writ in aid of jurisdiction. The status quo is just mean normal to and equivalent to everybody else, all the other citizens. Likewise, the court stated that it may properly, in the exercise of a sound discretion, grant a writ to maintain the status quo upon such terms as will be just and will adequately protect the rights of the respondent. Immediate relief is appropriate where there is no disadvantage or prejudice to the respondents and delay of enforcement. Describing the inherent power of the judiciary to protect a right for unlawful and injurious interference through preservation of the status quo until a final determination of the merits of the action, the court must evaluate two interrelated factors: the likelihood that the party seeking the injunction will ultimately prevail on the merits of his claim or her claim, and the balance of harm presented. That was the Common Clause case law versus Board of Supervisors, 1989 California case law. Moreover, and more importantly, for purposes of providing an immediate injunction or other appropriate relief is imperative because of the severe agonizing pain and undeniable financial hardships imposed upon the plaintiff. Now, at every pleading, you got to put, I declare under penalty of perjury under the laws of the state of California that the above is true and correct. So it's, I declare under penalty of perjury under the laws of the state of California that the above is true and correct. And then you say when it was executed and whatnot.